Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can delete your OpenArt account. So the first thing that you will have to do once you've logged into your account, you will basically just look for this profile icon right here, and then on the drop-down menu, you will just have to click it, and then you will see your settings or account settings, and then in your settings, you will just have to scroll down a little until you see manage account, and then manage account, privacy or security, and then you will find the delete account or delete my data option, and then after that you will just have to click delete account, and then you will be usually be asked to type a confirmation word. It is often delete, or you gotta re-enter your password or something like that. And yeah, that's basically just it, and then you will just have to confirm, and if prompted you could also complete the two-factor authentication. And yeah, that's basically just how you can delete your account, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.